Hello, global citizens. Welcome to our channel. Today we have a treat for you. The top 10 packing hacks to make your next trip a breeze. You know that feeling? Standing over an empty suitcase the night before a journey, wondering how you're going to fit your life into a carry-on? Well, we've got your back. These tips and tricks are going to supercharge your packing game, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. We're talking space-saving hacks, organizational tips, and even a few unexpected surprises that will make your next packing session a piece of cake. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end for the number one hack. It's a game changer. If you're loving what you're hearing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. So buckle up because we're about to take off to the land of efficient packing. Starting off our list at number 10, roll, don't fold. Now, you may be wondering, why roll when you can just fold? Well, let me tell you, rolling your clothes instead of folding them can be a real game changer. Here's why. When you roll your clothes, you're not only saving valuable suitcase space, but you're also preventing wrinkles. You see, folding creates creases that can become wrinkles, but rolling, that's a different story. Rolling reduces the chances of creases forming, keeping your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Plus, when you roll, you create a more compact form, allowing you to fit more into your luggage. It's like a magic trick for your suitcase. So, whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, rolling can make all the difference. So remember, the next time you're packing, roll it up. Coming in at number 9, the power of packing cubes. Have you ever spent an eternity digging through your suitcase, trying to find that one elusive sock or gadget? Packing cubes are the solution to this problem. They are small, lightweight containers designed to compartmentalize and organize items within your luggage. Think of them as drawers for your suitcase, providing a home for every item. Packing cubes come in a variety of sizes and are perfect for sorting clothes, accessories, and electronics. By grouping similar items together, you'll save time and avoid the frustration of rummaging through your suitcase. Plus, packing cubes can also help reduce wrinkles and keep your belongings in pristine condition. But the benefits don't stop there. Packing cubes can also help you maximize space in your luggage. By compressing your clothes into these cubes, you can fit more into your suitcase than you ever thought possible. So, invest in some packing cubes and say goodbye to luggage chaos. At number 8, we have a simple but effective tip. Stuff your shoes. This hack might seem elementary, but it's surprising how often it's overlooked. Shoes take up a significant amount of space in your luggage, and the interior often goes unused. Why not turn that empty shoe space into a storage opportunity? Stuffing your shoes with small items like socks or underwear can save you a surprising amount of space. It's like a secret compartment right there in your suitcase. Not only does this trick save room, but it also helps keep the shape of your shoes, preventing them from getting squished and deformed in transit. And the beauty of this hack, it's not just for socks or underwear. You can also stuff them with charging cables, travel-sized toiletries, or anything else that fits and won't damage your shoes. So don't let that shoe space go to waste. Our 7th hack is all about layering. Picture this. You're packing for a trip and you've got a mix of delicate items and clothing to fit into your luggage. The solution? The layering technique. This method is not just about optimizing space, but also about safeguarding your precious items from damage. Start by laying out your heaviest items at the bottom. Think jeans, jackets, and shoes. Next, add a layer of medium weight items like shirts, skirts, or dresses. You can roll these up to save space and avoid wrinkles. Now, for the delicate items. Place them on top of the clothing layers, cushioned from any impacts. This could be anything from souvenirs to glass perfume bottles. Finish off with a layer of light items like underwear or socks. These can be tucked into any remaining spaces, acting like padding to protect the layer below. The layering technique is a smart way to pack efficiently while keeping your belongings safe. Remember, it's all about layering. Halfway through our list, at number 6, use a pill case for small items. Yes, you heard it right, a pill case. It's an innovative way to store and organize those tiny objects that often get lost in the depths of your bag. Think earrings, cufflinks, or even micro SD cards. These items can easily fit into the compartments of a pill case. Consider this. Instead of rummaging around your bag for that elusive tiny item, you simply open your pill case and there it is, safe and sound. Not only does this method keep your items secure, but it also saves you time and frustration. And remember, you don't have to stick to just one pill case. If you have a lot of small items, feel free to use multiple cases. They're compact, lightweight, and perfect for keeping your belongings tidy and easy to find. So, grab that pill case and start organizing. At number 5, keep your luggage fresh with dryer sheets. Yes, you heard it right. Those humble dryer sheets that you've been using in your laundry routine can be your travel buddies too. They're not just for your laundry room anymore. Let's think about it. After a long journey, you open your suitcase, and instead of being greeted by a musty smell, you're met with a whiff of freshness. Sounds good, doesn't it? That's the magic of dryer sheets. Just slip a few of them in between your clothes, in your shoes, or even in your toiletry bag. As you travel, they'll continue to release their fresh scent, keeping your clothes smelling laundry day fresh. It's a simple yet effective trick. Plus, they're super lightweight and take up virtually no space, so you can easily fit them in your luggage without worrying about weight or space. So for a fresh arrival, don't forget those dryer sheets. At number 4, a sunglasses case isn't just for sunglasses. Now this might sound a little odd at first, but hear me out. How many times have you found yourself untangling a mess of cables in your bag? Or worse, discovered a frayed or damaged cable when you needed it the most? Here's where that sturdy sunglasses case comes in handy. Instead of letting your sunglasses case collect dust in a drawer, give it a new purpose. It's the perfect size for storing charging cables, earbuds, or even small adapters. The hard exterior of the case provides excellent protection against any accidental squishing or crushing in your luggage. It's also an excellent way to keep your cables from tangling up with each other or with other items in your bag. So, next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget to take along that sunglasses case. So, keep those cables safe and untangled in a sunglasses case. Our third hack, keep your necklaces tangle-free with straws. Now, don't you hate it when your necklaces end up in a tangled mess? It can turn the simple task of accessorizing into a frustrating puzzle. But we have a solution for you, and it's as simple as using a straw. Yes, you heard right, a straw. Here's the thing, by threading your necklace through a straw, you can prevent it from tangling. It's a simple trick, but it's incredibly effective. Just take your necklace, thread it through the straw, and close the clasp. Now, your necklace is secure, tangle-free, and ready to be packed. This method is particularly useful for those delicate chains that seem to tangle at the slightest provocation. So, next time you pack, remember to grab a few straws. It's a small addition to your packing routine, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration. So, say goodbye to tangled necklaces with this simple straw hack. Almost there. At number 2, the magic of plastic wrap. Now, we've all been there, right? Opening up our suitcase after a long flight only to find our shampoo or lotion has leaked all over our clothes. It's a mess and it's frustrating, but there's a simple solution to this problem, and it's probably already in your kitchen. Here's the trick. Before you screw the cap back onto your liquid bottles, place a small square of plastic wrap over the opening. The plastic wrap forms a seal that's strong enough to keep your liquids where they belong, inside the bottle. And the best part? It doesn't take up any extra space in your luggage. So the next time you're packing for a trip, don't just cap your bottles and hope for the best. Take a moment to seal them with plastic wrap. It's a small step that can save you a big headache later on. So, to keep your luggage leak-free, don't forget the plastic wrap. And finally, our number 1 packing hack, the ultimate pack last hack. This one is all about the order in which you pack your items. It may seem counterintuitive, but packing your heavy items last is a game changer. This way, when your suitcase is upright, these items naturally settle at the bottom, keeping your luggage balanced and preventing lighter items from getting squished. So, save that space for your books, shoes, and other hefty items till the end. Picture this. You've just arrived at your destination and open your suitcase to find everything in pristine condition, exactly as you packed it. No crushed hats, no wrinkled clothes, just perfectly packed belongings. That's the magic of the ultimate pack last hack. Remember, it's not just what you pack, but how you pack it. Check out this video for travel hacks every backpacker should know, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and we'll reply. Safe travels and happy packing!